Good
Good
evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. And
Good evening, children. Good evening.
Ma'am, I think we did not learn one color properly last class.
Yeah, today we will be learning everything, okay?
Sir, white color is over, sir. White.
Shall we start?
Yes.
So everybody, I'll just start over again with the basics once more. We'll touch base with basics. Okay. So before we go ahead, so everybody know how many colors are there in this cube? There are 6 colors: white, yellow, blue, green, red, and orange. Right? So we have 6 faces: right, left, up, down, front, and back. I believe you also have the formula sheets. So let's go with first step again from the beginning. So I want you all to take your middle finger of your left hand and keep it on the yellow center. Yellow center. I believe you also practiced very well. So you would know what is a center, edge piece, or a middle piece, and a corner is. Okay. So if you take this cube, on every face, you have nine different pieces, 9 square pieces over here. So in every line, the middle piece, it's called as edge or a middle piece in every line. Okay. So, and the 4 corners are called as corners, and the middle one, it's called as center.
Megan,
Okay?
I
So
think
for every face,
don't tell them 2 names. Tell them as middle piece or edge piece. Only one you mention it so that it is easy for them. Okay.
so we'll go with middle piece, it's easy. Okay. So this is called as middle piece. These are corners and this is center. Okay. Every face you will have all these 3 types of pieces. So I want you to take your left hand middle finger and keep it on the yellow center. First step. Left hand middle finger on yellow center and left thumb on white center. Okay. So left middle finger on the yellow center and left thumb on the white center. Okay. So next step is you need to look out where are the white middle pieces on the entire cube. Just have a look, just move your cube around and see where are the 4 white middle pieces. Okay. So identify them. What you need to do as a next step is on your yellow center, you need to bring all those 4 middle white pieces. Okay. I already have one, so don't disturb this line. So now I brought the second one. Okay. So there is no formula for this. You need to keep practice moving them right, left, up, down. So there's no formula for this stage. You need to make sure that you get all 4 white middle pieces on yellow center. Okay. So now I already got 2. So I'll try to get remaining 2. So I have 3 now. And I need to get the 4th one. Okay. So first step is you need to get your 4 white middle pieces on the yellow center. You need to keep all your 4 white middle pieces on yellow center. Okay. So after that, what you need to do is, there's one basic rule all the time is you need to keep your white center, which you have your thumb on from beginning. The white center should always be on the bottom. Okay. White center should always be on the bottom. It should not face any other faces. It should not be right, left, up, right, up, center, everything. It should always be bottom. So white center should always be on the bottom. Okay. So once you get 4 middle pieces of white on the yellow center, next step is you need to see each white middle piece. So for example, let's take this white middle piece as example. So you'll always have one color attached to each white middle piece. Okay. You'll always have one color together with each white middle piece. Okay. So what you need to do is, if we take this particular piece as example, okay, I'm bringing cube close to camera. Okay. So if you see this white middle piece, it has blue. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to match the adjacent color and its
Yes,
center.
Darahas. Good.
Okay. You need to match the white middle piece color with its center. Okay. So in this case, it is not matching. So how you need to match the center is you need to hold the top layer of the cube and move the bottom layers together. Okay. So this way, you should not move only one layer. Okay. This is wrong. Okay. This should not be done. What you need to do is you always need to move the bottom two layers.
Ma'am, is it like
together.
this only, ma'am?
Yeah,
After
that is correct.
him-
Now afterwards, sir is telling the step, follow that step.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to match every center like this for each white middle piece. Okay. So here it is green. It is not matching. So you need to match it with green, and the matched side should be moved 2 R's. 2 R is 2 times R clockwise. 1, 2. Similarly, if one white middle piece is done, you need to go for other white middle piece. Okay. So if you take next white middle piece, red, it is matching already. So do 2 R's. Okay. So again, take next color, blue, white and blue, it's matching already. So move 2 R's. So next one, white and orange, centers are matching. So move 2 R's. So the indication that you did first step correct is you will get a white plus. Okay. You will get a white plus with two colors on the adjacent side. Okay. So don't worry about these corners. Okay. That's not the first step. You need not worry about corners. You need to get the white plus first.
ఓకే 1 మినిట్ మేఘన్. సో మీరు ఇప్పటివరకు ఈ స్టెప్ చేశారా? చేసిన వాళ్ళందరూ ఒకసారి మీ రూబిక్స్ క్యూబ్ ని చూపించండి కెమెరాకి. మన్దీప్, నీకు ఓన్లీ 2 కార్నర్సే వచ్చాయి, 2 సెంటర్సే వచ్చాయి. ఐ మీన్ టు సే 2 మిడిల్ పీసెసే వచ్చాయి. ద రెస్ట్ 2 మిడిల్ పీసెస్ రాలేదు. You got only 2 middle pieces. The rest 2 middle pieces did not get. Good, Shashank. Anusha, very good. Darahas, very good. Others, please on your videos and show me if anybody has any doubts. This is the time to ask. Next, we are going to the next step. If you don't understand this step, you cannot do the next steps. So everybody understood so far till these steps, no?
Ma'am, what we do, ma'am? Sir?
Manideep, నువ్వు ఓన్లీ 2 మిడిల్ పీసెస్ వచ్చాయి. నెక్స్ట్ 2 మిడిల్ పీసెస్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్ ఉన్నాయి చూడు.
Yes, ma'am.
అక్కడ కూడా మిడిల్ పీసెస్ రావాలి. ఒకసారి ఎల్లో సెంటర్ ఉన్న ప్లేస్ చూయించు. ఎల్లో సెంటర్ ఉన్నది చూయించు. అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి చూడు, నీ వైట్స్ ఇంకా అక్కడే ఉన్నాయి. సో ఫినిష్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ వైట్స్. ఆ మిడిల్ పీసెస్ ఫినిష్ చేయాలి. సూజన్ చెప్పు సూజన్.
Ma'am, I got like this only, ma'am. I got 3 only, ma'am.
ఇంకొక మిడిల్ పీస్ ఎక్కడుందో చూడు. వైట్ మిడిల్ పీస్ ఇంకోటి ఎక్కడుందో చూడు.
Ma'am, it's here, ma'am.
దాన్ని కూడా తీసుకొనిరా. ఎల్లో దగ్గరికి తీసుకొనిరా ఫస్ట్. ఓకే, ఆల్ మిడిల్ పీసెస్ షుడ్ బి విత్ ఎల్లో సెంటర్. మోక్ష చూయించు నీది.
Sir, see, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్ మణిదీప్, వెరీ గుడ్. మోక్ష నీది 3 మిడిల్ పీసెస్ వచ్చాయి. 4th మిడిల్ పీస్ రాలేదు చూడు. Okay, those who finished, just sit silent. Okay. ఫోర్త్ మిడిల్ పీస్ రాలేదు మోక్ష, అది కూడా కంప్లీట్ చేయి. ఇక్కడి వరకు అందరి స్టెప్స్ వచ్చేసాయి కదా, మిగతా వాళ్ళందరికి వచ్చేసాయి కదా.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now just listen carefully, we are going to the next step. Yes, Megan. Megan, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Megan, unmute yourself.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Hmm.
So when you get your white plus, okay, next step is put that side on the bottom. As always, white center should be on the bottom. Okay, take your white plus, okay, and put it on the bottom. Okay, everybody did this. So next step is as how you identified 4 white middle pieces, now you need to identify 4 white corners. Okay, look all over the cube. In the previous step, as how you identified the 4 white middle pieces, now you need to identify 4 white corners similarly. Okay, okay, so you will have corners spread all over your cube. Just find those corners one at a time, not all of them at a time. Just go with each corner one at a time. Okay, so now let's take one corner as example. Okay, I got one corner with green and orange as adjacent pieces. Okay, so I'm showing close to the camera. Okay, so now I got this white, I got green and orange.
Ma'am, I can't hear.
What happened?
Sir, you kept yourself in mute, sir.
Sir,
Okay,
ఇప్పుడు
sorry.
వినిపిస్తున్నారు చూడు.
Okay, so you need to take one corner. Okay, take one white corner, any white corner, and see what are the colors attached to that white corner. Okay, so this case it has green and orange. Okay, so everybody see whatever, let's see whatever the corner you find first. Okay, take any corner and tell me what are the adjacent colors to it. Okay,
Sir, blue and orange, sir.
Blue
okay,
and
so
orange.
okay, so let's go with white, blue and orange. Okay, I'll also find white, blue and orange corner. Okay, so this is my white with blue and orange. Okay, so the next step here is keep the white plus in the bottom. Everybody move your cube to that white corner where you have blue and orange. Okay, move your cube to the place where you see white and orange corner. Sorry, white, blue and orange. Okay, so this is my place where I'm seeing white, blue and orange corners. White corner with blue and orange. Okay, so what you need to do is right now you need to match the white and orange centers in your front and right faces. Okay, you need to take one white corner and see what are the colors attached to it. Okay, so this case we are seeing white with blue and orange. Okay, so the next step is you need to match the top layer with white and with blue and orange centers. So previously what we did in previous step, we hold the first layer and we move 2 bottom layers. Okay, so now in this case you need to keep the bottom 2 layers constant and move the top layer. Okay, you need to move the top layer so that your blue and orange centers come in the front and right side. Okay, so blue and orange centers should come. Let me show this way. Okay, so blue and orange centers should come in my front and right sides. It's not necessary that they should be in the same color, same side. Okay, you can have the centers anywhere, but they should be in your right and front centers. Okay, Everybody understood?
So
Take
white
one
will be on
corner.
the top.
It could
White
be,
ekkada
it
undi
could be
ippudu?
right.
Hmm.
Here in this case, in my cube, it is front.
Okay.
Okay. In each cube, it could be right, up, or front. These are the
Okay.
only three possibilities. Okay.
Okay.
So the only three possibilities are your white corner will face you either front, up, or right. Okay. So basically, you will keep your white corner on top right all the time. Okay.
Understood,
So
children?
you need to.
Just a second. Let me, if they have any questions, you can ask now. Anybody has any question? No, right?
Sir, once you see this, sir.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
Ma'am, have completed my white color now.
Okay, who have finished, stay silent. Who have doubts, please ask.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I had got orange center, sir. Orange at the
Okay.
center. Sir, and I did not get blue as center, sir.
No, you are disturbing your white bottom. Okay, that should not be the case. Your white plus got disturbed at the bottom.
See, me
Okay,
white
it should not
plus
disturb.
yeah, it's like that only, no? Put that as a bottom
Okay.
on your hand.
Sir,
Put that at the bottom.
when I keep this as a bottom, sir, when I keep this as a bottom, sir, here orange and white and blue are underneath, sir. As I
Okay.
keep this as the bottom,
Sir, I completed my second layer.
white, I got a white, orange, and blue as bottom, sir.
Okay, so we'll go again. After you place your white on the bottom, white plus on the bottom, okay? First step, you find the white corners on top layer, everybody, okay? Don't bother about colors, okay? Take your white plus and place it on the bottom and see whether you have any white corner on the top layer, okay?
That is better.
Green and red, sir.
Okay, so everybody take your white plus, place it on the bottom, okay, and see if you have any white corner on the top layer. This top layer, see if you have any white corner. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, Shashank.
See if take
sir,
that
my
white
white
corner.
is upside, sir. My white is upside, sir. It's okay, na, sir?
Yes, it's okay. So you have the white plus, right? Yes, keep
Yes,
it on
sir.
the bottom. Keep it on the bottom. Okay. So on the top, take any one corner first. Any one. Okay. What is that? Choose one corner and see what are the colors that are attached to it. Okay.
Red and green. Okay.
Okay. So now what you need to do is you will have one corner with two colors attached to it. Okay. Every white corner will have two colors attached to it. So in this case, orange and green, blue and orange, it could be any, but you need to first find corners which are on the top layer. Okay. Each white corner will have two colors attached to it. Okay. So you need to bring those two colors as your front and right centers. Okay. So same way, move the bottom two and match those colors in your front and right sides. Okay. So take one white corner on the top layer. Always put your always put your white plus on the bottom. Don't move that white bottom. Okay. Always put your white center on the bottom and find the white corner on top layer first. Okay. So if you get any corner, there you will have two colors attached to it. Okay, any two, it could be any two colors. Okay, so on the top layer, find a white corner, see what are the two colors that are attached to it. Okay, so same way, hold the top layer and bring those two centers as your front and right sides. Okay, hold the top layer and bring the attached colors as your front and right centers. Okay, find one white corner. So this is one white corner, okay, which has red and green. In my case, you might see different corners. Okay, so hold top layer and move the bottom two layers such that you will find the same attached colors on your front and right, same color centers on your front and right.
So red color ki red color center రావాలి, green color ki green color center రావాలి, అంతేనా?
అవును.
సో నీది రెడ్ కలర్ కి గ్రీన్ కలర్ సెంటర్ ఉంది మేఘన్.
ఎలాగన్నా ఉండొచ్చు, బట్ మన ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ రైట్ లో ఉండాలంతే. ఈ ఆనుకొని ఉన్న కలర్స్ మన ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ రైట్ లో ఉండాలంతే. ఈ గ్రీన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా అని చెప్పి ఇక్కడ గ్రీన్ సెంటర్ రావాలని రూల్ ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ దీస్ టూ కలర్స్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ రైట్ సెంటర్స్. దట్స్ ఇట్.
ఓకే
ఓకే
ఓకే. వాట్ ఇస్
నెక్స్ట్? Once you match these centers, you need to see where is the white position. Okay, so if white position is up, you have the formula in your hands. Okay, the formula is first step right. Okay, so if you have, after matching the two adjacent colors centers with your front and right, see what is the white position. It will be up, right or front. Okay, it will be up, right or front. Based on that, you need to do the formula 3 times or 5 times or 1 time. Okay, you have formulas in your hand. Okay, so if white position is up, you need to do the formula R U R dash U dash 3 times. Okay, so it could be anything. See, match the adjacent colors with their centers as front and right. Then see the white position, whether it will be in 3 places only, up, front and right. Okay, so based on the position of white, do the formula. Okay, so here in my case it is up, so I will do formula R U R dash U dash 3 times. Okay, so I'm moving my cube, R U R dash.
ఇదిగో మీకు పంపించాం కదా వైట్ పేజ్ లో, మీకు ఫార్ములా ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది అందరికి. నేను స్క్రీన్ మీద పెట్టాను. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్, ఒకవేళ రైట్ అయితే 1 టైం తిరగాలి. ఫేస్ లో ఉందంటే, ఫ్రంట్ లో ఉంది అనుకుంటే 5 టైమ్స్. ఒకవేళ పైన టాప్ లో ఉంది అనుకుంటే 3 టైమ్స్. ఓకే,
okay, everybody has a formula.
You can unmute yourself and ask your questions.
Sir, I did not understand, sir. For my white is over here, so my orange match, sir, but white is over here. It's left side, no, sir.
One by one, can you keep that
Okay.
person as center? Yeah.
I'll show you. Who is the
Sir, you will continue, sir. R-U-R.
Sir, white is on the left side, no, sir. For left side, how many times?
Okay, Darhas, can you show me your cube? Okay, so where is your white plus? Is it on the
Sir,
bottom?
plus.
Okay, keep it on your bottom.
Yes, sir.
Find one white corner on the top layer, any white
Sir.
corner on the top. Okay, so what are the colors that are attached to it?
Sir,
that white
green
corner?
and orange.
Okay, so hold the top layer now. Hold the
Yes,
top layer and move the bottom two layers.
Yes, sir.
So that your white, your green and red should be in your front and right. Okay,
Sir, green and red.
choose any of your corner, Darhas. Take any of the corner. Okay.
Yes, sir. I took this.
That
Okay,
corner
then
should
put it on
face you
your-
first. నీ
Okay,
face లో
take
పెట్టుకో.
that.
Yes.
Okay. Now what are the colors to that white corner?
Sir, green and orange.
Okay. So now hold the top layer of cube. Don't move it. That corner should always face you. Okay. Don't move that first. Okay.
Yes.
So hold the top layer and move the bottom 2 layers. Okay. So that the colors which are attached to that white corner. Okay. What are the colors you told me?
Sir, green and orange, sir. I took.
So green and orange centers, right? You know centers, they should come
Yes, sir.
on your front and right side. Now I think it will match
Sir, I
you.
got
right?
orange and green here.
Okay. Now that's what we want. So where is the white position? Is it front, up or right?
Sir, I got it as right, sir, here. Beside
Okay.
orange.
So now do the right formula for right. First
Sir,
step
3
formula.
times.
No. It is on. Where is the position of white? Is it
Sir,
front,
right.
right or up? So
Sir,
if it is right,
sir,
right,
this is front or right, sir? This one.
that is front, Darhas. That is front.
Yes, sir. Front. 5
So
times,
if
sir.
it is, yeah. No. Keep that as your front. You are moving the
Yes,
cube.
sir.
Yeah. Now do the formula 5 times. Front means if white is in your front, you should do it 5 times. R,
Yes.
U, R dash, U minus, U dash. U dash, you are doing F. You did F right now. Okay, yes. Do U dash. No, that is back again. Okay.
What is U dash?
So you need to.
Sir,
U is up.
up.
U is up. No, again you did U. It should be U minus. That means U
At this side.
anti-clockwise. Yes. Okay, you completed formula correctly only 1 time. Okay. So you need to do it remaining 4 times again. Slowly.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Completed.
You did 5 times.
Yes, sir.
So if you do it correctly, that white comes to the bottom layer. Okay.
So
if you
show your
do that-
bottom ones. Very good. So you got it right, Darhas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, anybody has any other doubts, children, till this point?
Okay, after white center, place it on the bottom. Okay, find the white corner on top layer. పైన వైట్ కలర్ ఉందేమో చూడండి అందరూ. ఓకే, పైన వైట్ దొరికిన తర్వాత ఓకే, పైన వైట్ ఉన్న తర్వాత దానికి ఆనుకొని ఏం కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూడండి. ఓకే, ప్రతి వైట్ కి 2 కలర్స్ ఆనుకొని ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఆ వైట్ కానుకొని ఏం కలర్స్ ఉన్నాయో చూడండి. చూసిన తర్వాత ఈ పై లేయర్ పట్టుకొని ఆ 2 కలర్స్ ఒక్క సెంటర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, అది మ్యాచ్ చేయాలి. ఎలా మ్యాచ్ చేయాలంటే మన ఆ సెంటర్స్ మన ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ రైట్ లో ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ నాకు వైట్ కి బ్లూ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్ ఉంది. ఓకే, సో మై వైట్ హ్యాస్ బ్లూ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్. ఓకే, సో నేను పైన పట్టుకొని నా బ్లూ అండ్ ఆరెంజ్ నా ఫ్రంట్ అండ్ రైట్ వచ్చేటట్టు మ్యాచ్ చేశా. చూస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ, ఇలా మ్యాచ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీ వైట్ పొజిషన్ ఎక్కడ ఉందో చూడండి. ఓకే, ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఆన్ ఫ్రంట్, అప్ ఆర్ రైట్. ఓకే, బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ ద ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ ఫార్ములా. ఓకే, so key is practice. If you keep practicing very well on the movements, you will get it very fast. Okay, so key is practice. Okay, so you should not, మీరు మధ్యలో ఎక్కడన్నా ఒక్క మూవ్ తప్పు చేసినా క్యూబ్ అంతా పోతుంది. ఓకే, సో if it is there as R in the formula, you should be moving R correctly. Okay, if it is there as U in the formula, you should move U correctly. Okay, so if it goes wrong anywhere, again you need to start from the beginning. Okay, so you need to be very careful while you are moving the cube. Okay, so first practice all that. That's what I told in the first class. Practice all the movements clockwise and anti-clockwise 5 times each. Okay, so that if you see in the formula, you will be knowing what to move exactly. Okay, so this way you need to find the 4 corners. Okay, you need to make sure you complete all the 4 corners similarly. After each corner, you will see it is going towards the bottom white, so that your color will get completed. Okay.
Okay, finish that
So
white color, Megan.
one more thing. Yeah. One more thing is, so if you don't see corner on your top layer, if you don't see the white corner on top layer and it is in the bottom, okay. So sometimes you won't find the white corners on top layer. Okay. ప్రతిసారి వైట్ కార్నర్స్ పైన రావు, కొన్ని కింద ఉండిపోతాయి. ఓకే, మీరు ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో ప్లస్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడే కొన్ని కార్నర్స్ కిందకి వచ్చేస్తాయి. Okay, you need to get those corners on top layer. For that, you need to see where that bottom corner, where is that bottom corner, and do the same formula, r minus u minus once, so that you will get the corner on the top layer again. Okay, so you should start completing each corner, do the formula correctly. So the end step of this first step is you will complete the white color. Okay, let me do it and we'll go back to doubts. Okay. Okay, this is how it will be completed.
Okay, sides kuda
Okay,
చూడండి
white,
వాళ్ళకి.
complete white with plus, small plus. Okay, complete white with small plus. This is the first step. Okay, this is how you should complete first step.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ
You
వరకు
need to-
కంప్లీట్
so that-
చేసిన వాళ్ళు ఒకసారి చూపించండి మీది క్యూబ్. ఎనీబడి హ్యాస్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్, యూ కెన్ అన్మ్యూట్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్. వైట్ కంప్లీట్ చేశాను మేడం అంటే మీకు పక్కన సైడ్స్ కూడా టీ రావాలి, స్మాల్ టీ రావాలి. అనుష, షో యువర్ క్యూబ్.
Small t.
ఆల్ సైడ్స్. వెరీ గుడ్, పర్ఫెక్ట్.
సార్ నాకు రెడ్ కలర్ టీ రాలే సార్, స్మాల్ టీ వచ్చింది సార్.
స్మాల్
Okay,
టీనే
okay.
చెప్పారు సార్.
Small t. First step is small t only. Okay.
వెరీ గుడ్.
సార్ నాకు అన్ని కలర్స్ బిగ్ టీ వచ్చింది సార్, ఓన్లీ రెడ్
Small tea-
మాత్రమే స్మాల్ టీ వచ్చింది సార్.
Small t parvaledu. First step is only small t. Okay, don't worry about complete t. Okay, it's small
Sir,
t.
I
only.
did not
sir.
get it, sir.
ఓకే
So
సార్.
Shashank,
హూ ఇస్ దట్ హూ డిడ్ నాట్
can
గెట్
you-
ఇట్?
Me, Dara.
Darahas, you have to practice your formula so much. Okay, ఒక్క స్టెప్ మిస్ చేసినా గానీ అగైన్ నీ క్యూబ్ అంతా డిస్టర్బ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో నవ్ యూ నో
So you
కదా.
you should exactly move the same movement mentioned in the formula. Okay, you should
Sir.
always move. So it's still white
White-
plus Mandeep. It is still white
White
plus
plus-
Mandeep.
వైట్ ప్లస్ వచ్చింది సార్, ఇక్కడ వైట్ కిందనే వచ్చేసినాయి సార్, వైట్ ప్లస్
పైన-
కిందనే వచ్చేసినాయి సార్.
కాదు పైన వైట్లు ఉన్నాయా లేదా చూడు.
పైన రెండు
First
వైట్లు
a
ఉన్నాయి
white-
చూడు నీకు ఆల్రెడీ.
ఒక్కటే ఉంది మ్యామ్, ఒక్కటే.
ఒకటి ఫస్ట్ కంప్లీట్ చేయి.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
విత్ ఫార్ములా యూ కంప్లీట్ దట్ వన్ ఫస్ట్.
ఎస్.
కంప్లీట్ చేయి సార్, చూస్తున్నారు, కంప్లీట్ చేయి. ఇంకెవరికైనా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా చిల్డ్రన్? షుడ్ వి గో టు నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్?
Sir, I'm doing the formulas, but I got it till here only, sir.
Wait, may replace spotlight.
Yeah, there has show it.
Sir, I got it till here only, sir.
Okay, see the where are white. See the corners are unsolved. Okay, there has keep your white in the bottom again.
Yes, sir.
See whether there are. I see that there is one white corner with red and orange. See it on the
Yes.
top layer. On the
Red
top
and
layer,
orange.
green
Sir,
and
I
red.
got
Green and red.
Red and green,
Green
sir.
and yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are the green and red centers on your front and right?
Yes,
Sir.
sir.
No, I don't think so. You have,
Sir, red is here and green is over here, sir.
so that is not front and back, right? That is back, right and back. Okay.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Darhas, take that white corner and always place it on your front side. Okay, that is the
Yes,
first
sir.
step. So what are the colors to that white?
Sir, red and green.
Okay, are the red and green centers on your front and right side?
Sir, no, sir.
So what you need to do, hold the top layer. Okay, move the bottom two. Move the bottom two together. Now I guess red and green are having white centers
Yes,
as front
sir.
and right, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the position of white? Front, up or right?
Sir, it's right.
No, it is front. You have the front, right? White is on your front.
Yes, sir, it's front.
So if it is front, do that
Five
RU
times.
5 times. Do it
R U
slowly,
R
slowly.
dash U
Yeah.
dash R
Okay.
U R dash U dash R U R dash U dash R U R dash U dash R U R dash U dash.
Okay.
Sir,
So now,
Sir, I have only
yeah,
Wait, sir will answer everybody. Okay, just wait. One student at a time. Okay, show Darhas, show your bottom one. Yeah, so now you got your white there in a correct position and you have to get one more corner, the last corner.
one corner left over the white.
Where is the
yeah,
last
you
corner?
need, where is the corner?
Last corner is over here.
There has always white color on the bottom. Always white color on the
Sir,
bottom.
white is on the bottom only, sir.
Where is your
so
corner?
show me.
Sir, it's in front of me, sir, here.
Okay. So what? Okay. What are the colors to it?
Orange and blue.
Are orange and blue on your front and right?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Now hold the top layer.
Yes, sir.
Move the bottom two.
Yes, sir.
Are they? Okay. Now what is the position of white?
Sir, front.
Do the formula 5 times.
R U R dash U dash 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 R U R dash U dash. Yes, sir.
White's done.
No, sir, but still I have one left.
Yeah. Now that means you still have one more corner. Look on the top layer. You have the corner. White on
Sir,
the
I
bottom.
have orange and green, sir.
Okay. Now keep that corner on your front.
Yes, sir, I kept.
Okay. Move. Where is the white corner? Show me.
Sir, in front of me here.
Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
yes. No. It should be on the front right. Now it is front left to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's front left to me.
Move the cube twist it once left. Yeah. Now is it?
Children, we will log out and log in back. Okay. Sir will answer everybody's questions now. Till 6:30 is the Rubik's class session. Okay. Sir will answer everyone's question. Okay. Please log out and log in back again. Okay, children.